Hey lovelies, Sandra Ivy Rose here. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are into high-end DIY projects on a budget, please consider subscribing to my channel. I got this little planter thing from Target, and what we're going to be doing is spray painting it the metallic gold color. And then I got these little beads off Amazon, and you put those little crystals in there to give it a little blinky look, and then add some flowers. Wow guys, this came out so beautiful. This little planter, you could put it on your coffee table, in the office, anywhere in your home for a beautiful home decor. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, so we're moving on to DIY number 2, which is our beautiful tabletop decor. We're starting out by using 2 of Dollar Tree bowls, and they come in 2 in a pack. So we're gonna hot glue them together, and then we're going to be using Dollar Tree's diamond bling wrap, and then we're gonna be creating our design with it. Hey lovelies, if it's your first time visiting my channel, well please consider subscribing if you are into high-end DIY projects on a budget. And all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos. Next, we're gonna take this gold bling wrap. I got it from Amazon, and we're gonna cut a strip and put it around the middle of our 2 pieces that are joined together. Okay, so now we're gonna be using these gems. I got it from Michael's. If you don't want to buy the ones from Michael's, you can use the Dollar Tree gems as well. Okay, so we're gonna be using this mirror. I got it from Michael's, and we're also gonna be using Dollar Tree tap light and Dollar Tree bling wrap. And what we're gonna do here is we're going to wrap the bling wrap around the tap light to bling it out. Hey guys, don't forget to check out my playlist on the channel. I have my high-end craft playlist, and I have my spring playlist. If you haven't seen those, please check them out. Next. Next, we're going to be using this wooden round circle. I got it from Walmart. And that one is going to go on the bottom part of our little tabletop. And I use another Dollar Tree tap light, and I already blinged it out. And we're going to draw a circle so we can know where to place it. Because what we're going to do is we're going to use metallic paint and paint all around it. And once we finish painted, we're going to add some silver glitter on it to bling it out a little bit more. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe out there and staying healthy. Many blessings. Next, to continue with the bling, I did go ahead and use Dollar Tree diamond wrap and cut a thin strip and wrap it around the wooden edge of the circle. And now it's going to be time to place our tap light from Dollar Tree. And the back of the tap light has the sticker, so all I did was pull it off and it'll be able to stick onto the wood. And to seal our glitter, we're going to be using glossy Mod Podge. And I got this small bottle from Dollar Tree. So now just add the mirror to the top part of your table decor. Alright guys, let's see how everything is displayed. Wow guys, this turned out so beautiful. I have both lights on, but you could turn either one on and off to give the ambience that you're looking for. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this week's video, give me a thumbs up. It tells me that you like it and it helps out my channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I have more to show you guys. And don't forget to click on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Click on this video next so you can learn how to make this beautiful home decor. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.